Hey kids, coming to you live and in Technicolor from our attached garage here at Honest Paint Speed Shop. But today's a little different. We're going to talk about some home and shop security, so stick around. That's right, we're going to talk about some security stuff today, and actually what we're going to do is we're going to be talking about this ZOSI C291 solar powered wireless IP camera. Now it does hook up to your Wi-Fi and it's solar powered, so you don't have to plug it in, you don't have to hardwire it, as you can see right there. Of course it comes with a wire-free battery camera, solar panel, mounting screws, and the user manual, and it does have apps available for Android and Apple devices. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this opened up. I'm going to show you what we got. Here's the camera itself. Now, I went ahead and I followed all the instructions on how to get it set up and hook it up to the app, which I have on my phone here. But it does have night vision and motion sensor, and here's your receivers for the Wi-Fi. Also, I'll be showing you the solar panel. It's actually pretty good size, and we're going to be putting it out here on our attached garage. And what we're going to do then is I'm going to show you how it operates during the day, and then we're going to show some night footage as well, and should be pretty darn cool. Really looking forward to it. Check out that solar panel. Now, of course, it comes with a template, so you can either mount it to like a ceiling, or you can mount it to your wall. We're going to be putting it on my fascia out there, and here's the solar panel mounting. Comes with a USB-C charger. It has a memory card. It's already in it when it comes, and it will record, and you can watch real time. It's pretty darn cool. And then we got the mounting hardware. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take you outside, and I'm going to install it, and we'll be doing a lot of talking because it's pretty windy out there. But we're going to get this thing installed. You're going to watch. It's going to be fantastic, and then we're going to show you how it works. All right. Now, the main reason we're going to do this, of course, is that, little peace of mind when, especially if you've got someone at home, or if you've got some valuables that you want to make sure you keep your eyes on, or you have a delivery that you want that's coming and you can watch live. And now I will show you that on my phone, but first we got to get it installed. I've got the spot picked out, so we're going to bring you outside. I'm going to go up on the ladder. We're going to do the thing with the stuff, and then we're going to show you how it works. All right, so let's do it. Now the other thing is, of course, I have Clyde, and when you have ones and twos of dollars put into a hot rod like Clyde, you definitely want to watch him. See, there he is right there. So I'm going to get the tools I need. Meet you back up front. We're ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk over here. I've already got the spot picked out, and some other cool stuff I found as I was messing around with the app. We'll be showing you that too. So hope you enjoy the really, really hands-on and pretty darn user-friendly install. Let's do it. Now for the solar panel. All right, now what you're gonna wanna do, now my house faces east, so I've got a really good amount of sun coming in. We're gonna face this, that direction. We have plenty of cord to go from there to there. I didn't need to go crazy, so it's just gonna be those two spots, and there is a weather plug on the end. We're gonna get this, make sense? And then we'll wrap this back up with our provided twist tie. Yeah. So let's do it. Yeah, I know there's a lot of wire right there, but I'm going to be cleaning that up, I promise. What I'll probably do is I'll probably end up wrapping it around, so it'll just be shorter. But I want to get that up so you guys can check it out. So let's go check out the app. All right, you see it's right up there. Now you can see me right there, talking to you, talking to that. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set a preset point. What we're going to do then is we're going to make sure we get this just where we want it. We can move it just like that. We're going to get the whole driveway, including the pickup and the shop. Make sure we have it up so we can see everything, right? We'll set the preset 1. Look at that. That's that easy. And then we'll set a preset 2. Just turn it till we get it where we want it. We'll have it running that way. Preset 2. So let's say I want to go to preset 1. Boom. Touch it. And here I am. Preset 1. That's pretty darn fantastic, don't you think? I think so. Some of the other features that are available, there's a playback. Remember, there's a recording up there. I haven't recorded anything as far as yet, but and then you can go back and you can see what's going on there. I touch home, enter live, hooks up, and there's everything. Now, check it out. I can do this, and let's say I want to see what's going on below. Right. There's my ladder right there. And go back up. I can see, I can check out the whole On Spate and Speed Shop compound, let's call it, right there. Pretty darn fantastic, I think. Let's say we want to go to the presets, number 1, boom, right back to it. You can see the whole shop, you can see the whole driveway, and we can see part of the yard here and all the way out there by the road. Now what that's going to do for us here is we're going to be able to see anybody who's coming and going, plus we're going to be able to keep an eye on the shop where all the cool stuff is, right? Right. All right. Stick around, we're going to tell you what we learned. Now, setting the camera up is super easy. There's a QR code right on top of the camera. You click it. Now, when you hook this up to your Wi-Fi, it needs to be on the 2.4 gigahertz. It will not recognize a 5, and that's it's right in the manual. The other nice thing is, well, for me, my provider we have a blended, so it's 5 gigahertz and 2.4 at the same time. Well, what I did is I made a call. They were able to separate them out. I got that hooked up, done and done. Super easy. I was on the phone for 5 minutes. And then, now this, of course, it's a peace of mind here. You know, my girls are home, or anybody's home by themselves, or if someone's stopping by. Here's the cool part, though. Here's something else that's really cool. We can enter live again, sorry. And then press, hear that? Hear that noise? That's the alarm button. Shut that off. I can take a picture and it just snaps a picture of what's going on there. And I can even talk to it. I can even say stuff if I want to, where I'm like, hey, get out here. So that's pretty darn cool. I'm really, really excited about this because I'll tell you what, you never know, someone could swing by and they're up to no good. And this is gonna give you a little peace of mind so you can actually see it. And then, you know, you can zoom in, you can take pictures. And if I wanted to zoom in, I can zoom in. Check that out with just my fingers. I can zoom in. Zoom in right on the hot rod there. Check it out. I don't know. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait a little bit and we're gonna show you how the night vision works, and it's pretty darn exciting. So stick around. I'll be hooking up to it at night, and also it did show when I hooked up the solar panel and I have it pointed up to the sky, and I am able to move it around. It did show that the battery was charging. I did fully charge it overnight to make sure that it was ready to go. So I'm rambling. Stick around for the nighttime stuff, and then we'll talk about what we learned. So stick around. Hey kids, it's officially nighttime. So I got the app open, and now check it out. Look at that. And let's just move it around just a little bit. Here we go. Good view of everything there. Check it out. Down. Back up. All right, once again, check it out. That's pretty darn cool, I'm telling you. Huh? All right. Well, kids, what did we learn today? We learned that that camera is fantastic. And not only that, it really is quite user-friendly. Now, once again, it's from ZOSI, is the C291. Man, this thing is 100% Honest Paint and Speech approved. Check out the link down below. Go pick yourself up one right now. Little peace of mind for you. Keep on wrenching, kids.